All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to go over the Liquify filter. So, filter Liquify, that's how we get there. And this is a really powerful tool. It's evolved into something, yeah. Everyone needs this if you're working in Photoshop. So let's go here to the size. Well, I'm going to get the first tool up here, and I want to show you size. So you can press left bracket and right bracket to get smaller and bigger instead of doing that, instead of going up to the dialog. And don't be afraid to be a little big on the brush because like I'm going to move this up right now. So you don't want to do it tiny because then you're just going to get this, right? Like horrifying. So let's go big. I'm just pushing right bracket, and then you can really move the whole thing up, and without uh, noticing that it's been done. But then you're going to get over here to legs, and then you're going to start moving legs, and that doesn't work, right? I have seen this like on Instagram and stuff where it's like, what? You didn't notice that you didn't do that, right? Anyways, so yeah, let's freeze the legs. You go right here. This is the freeze, and you can draw this on. This is it's kind of a little tedious, but it isn't if you just zoom in, get good with your brackets here, left and right, and then you can just get smaller. So go. This is when you're going to go small brush, even smaller brush, right? You can do all this in a little bigger, and just you don't have to be like. I mean, depending on what you're going for, you might want to be zoomed all the way in and really take your time on this. Um, Depends, but anyways, I'm going to do this as quickly as I can because I have a feeling you want to get out of here and go do this. So let me do this real quick. Okay. I'm not going to do the whole image or all their legs or anything. Don't worry. Okay. We've got some freezing going on now. So I'm going to back out a little bit and grab my warp guy. Now watch this. See, it's not moving it. I'm not moving her leg up. Yay. So that's cool, right? I mean, look, well, I didn't have the other leg done, but yeah, you can move this part up. Yeah, so I don't want to get too close to the other leg because this will happen. And that doesn't look right. You start messing with their skin and stuff, and it just gets crazy. So that's the basics on that. And then check this one out. You got bloat, like pucker and bloat kind of things. In, and if you press option, you got out, right? You got rotation. This is really cool. It looks good. This is really good for logos too. If a t-shirt's got a little tweaked logo, just like go over there, you know, boom, 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 adjust it. Um, so that's the overview of Liquify. It's really powerful. Just freeze, rotate, pucker, and warp, and you are good to go. So hopefully that helped. If it did, let me know in the comments. Hit like. Thanks.